Inventions this year so far have been very significant. The creation for the benefit of productivity and the quality of life of human beings prevail in technological updates. These are some inventions that have been presented at the latest technology fairs around the world. Smart and connected homes. Using the internet to control things has been present for about 5 years, but now it allows you to connect more appliances and even open or close the windows of our house. Mobile payments. Cell phones and smartwatch will be the new cards, while physical money is becoming obsolete, and the security of payments can be given on your cell phone, either with facial recognition or with fingerprint. Driverless cars. Different transport companies have been experimenting with this service. In the same way, electric cars that offer fast charging are already a reality with great performance. Robots with artificial intelligence. Many companies are using artificial intelligence in software and technologies that are activated with voice, which serve as assistants in everyday life. Internet faster every day. 5G connectivity is on its way and promises speeds almost 100 times faster than 4G, plus availability in any territory. Roller TV. It looks like a conventional television, but when it is not used, it is saved totally or partially, creating different environments and models of use.